It must be fervent. If you're walking down your street at night, someone walks up to you, puts a gun to your head, you had to beg for your life. How would you beg? Would you please consider not shooting me? How would you beg for your life? The Bible says when you pray, pray fervently, pray earnestly, pray like Elijah. Let God know you're serious. And so we see the importance of prayer in James 5:13-18. Let us go to Luke chapter 11. We shall read from verse 1. Our subject, never give up. Luke 11, reading from verse 1. Are you there? All right, 2 of you have found it. The rest of you, hurry up. Do you have it now? All right. Luke 11, verse 1. And it came to pass that as he was praying in a certain place, when he ceased, one of his disciples said unto him, what? Lord, teach us to pray as John also taught his disciples.